Hello everyone!
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers!
Ciao Mimmo, say hello, Mimmo! We are all very excited. In a few minutes we will be meeting. Yes, we will be meeting the Sicily Lovers. So all the people who joined the Sicily Lovers Tour, our small group tour of Sicily. We are in Palermo. That's the location where the Sicily Lovers stay in during the first part of the tour. It's a beautiful 4-star hotel in the heart of Palermo. Look behind us. This is the courtyard. It's a special location. It's a former monastery. Then it was converted in a bank, and now it's a 4-star hotel.
We are going to meet 20 beautiful people because our small group tour of Sicily is reserved for just 20 people. And it's our ideal tour of Sicily.
Yes.
You will see the highlights of Sicily, and you will enjoy the best experiences with locals, and of course food. Manja every time.
Yes.
All our editions in 2026 are already sold out. But you can still join the editions in 2027.
Right. And you can take advantage of the early booking discount. You can save the 10% of the total price. Even if it's a very affordable tour, you have an extra opportunity.
And if you can't join the Sicily Lovers Tour,
you can ask us to put together a private tour of Sicily. That's our core business. I can confess that 90% of our clients they book a private tour of Sicily. The Sicily Lovers Tour, the small group tour of Sicily, is just our opportunity to meet beautiful people in person, because it would be impossible to meet all our private clients, but in this case we follow the tour every day. And if you want to know all the details, regardless if you want to join our small group tour of Sicily or you want us to put together a private tour of Sicily, what they have to do?
Just visit our website, things-to-do-in-sicily.com. And now we have to go, Gianca.
Right.
Our Sicily Lovers is waiting for us to start. This is the beginning of the Sicily Lovers Tour. See you later. We will show you our friends in a while.
Ciao!
Ciao! Ciao!
Here we are again! I didn't like it. Again. 1, 2, 3. Well done.
Let's shout for all of you. Thank you, guys. Cheers. Welcome to Palermo.